Okay, so good morning everyone. So today's topic is adjectives. Now what is an adjective? These are the words which describe a noun. Words describe a noun or a pronoun. So what is a noun? Noun is anything which we see around us. It is the name of a person, place, animal or thing. That is a noun. And the words which are used in place of a noun are pronouns. Words like he, she are the pronouns used for the noun boy or a girl. So the words which describe our noun and pronoun are called as adjectives. For example, if I say a sentence, Ram is a boy. So here Ram is the noun. Now if I say that Ram is an intelligent boy. So the word intelligent is telling us more about the noun boy or noun Ram. Here we knew only that Ram is a boy, but after using the word adjective intelligent, we got to know more about the noun boy, that he is an intelligent boy. So now adjectives are of 6 types: adjective of quality, quantity, number, demonstrative, possessive and interrogative. First one is quality. Adjective of quality, which tells us what kind of a noun it is. What kind of noun it is. Noun किस तरह का है means, if we come back to the previous example, if we talk about boy, Ram, he is an intelligent boy. So this will be the quality of boy Ram. So this is our adjective of quality, which tells us the kind of nouns. Some other examples of adjective of quality are beautiful, ugly, charming and so on. These are the examples of adjective of quality. Coming on to quantity, quantity tells us how much. The question will be how much, kitna. So in a sentence, adjective of quantity will give us the answer to the question how much. I have enough time to complete my work. I have enough time to complete my work. मेरे पास बहुत time है अपना काम complete करने के लिए. So our question will be how much time do I have? I have enough time to complete my work. That becomes quantity. So the words like enough, some are the examples of adjectives of quantity. Moving on to the third, that is number. Adjective of number, it tells us how many. How many as in 1, 2, 3 or 2 weeks, 3 months. So here we have the adjective in the form of numbers, that is adjective of number. We can say all the students were present at the event, which means all. We have the number. Or 2 students were present yesterday, so we have the number as 2. Moving on to the fourth adjective, that is demonstrative adjective, which means that it points towards the noun. It points towards the noun means उसकी तरफ इशारा करेगा that this book is mine or this is my duster. This duster is mine. So it is pointing. The words like this, that, those are the demonstrative adjectives which are pointing towards the nouns. Fifth is possessive noun, possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives are the one which tells us about the ownership or possession. Means जो noun है उसको कौन own करता है. Like this duster is mine, ये duster मेरा है. So the adjective mine is telling that this duster is owned by me. I possess this duster. So the words like mine, hers, his are the example of possessive adjectives. Last is interrogative adjective, which asks a question. So all the words which are WH words like what, which, who, whose. These WH words come under interrogative adjectives which ask a question. For example, whose book is this? So it is asking, it comes before the noun. Whose book is this? Book is the noun and our interrogative adjective is whose. Kiski book hai ye? So that becomes our interrogative adjective. So again, I'll revise it quickly. That is, we have adjectives which are the words that describe a noun or a pronoun. Then these are of 6 types: quality, quantity, number, demonstrative, possessive and interrogative. And these are the following examples. Quality tells us about the kind of the noun. Quantity tells us about the quantity, how much. Number tells how many. Demonstrative tells, it points out towards the noun. Possessive tells of ownership, who possesses that particular noun or thing. And interrogative asks the questions. And all WH words come under interrogative adjectives. Thank you.